Hello, welcome to Instrumentation Unlimited YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about a trick for gas analyzer that will help you to up your gas analyzer if sample suction pump fails. No, we are not going to repair or replace pump with new one. We will discuss a new method of creating suction in analyzer system that will suck sample gas from process automatically. That too, without suction pump. Using compressed air, yes, only compressed air and no pump. Let's see how it works. You must be knowing jet principle, which we used to observe in home device to sprays oil to repel mosquitoes. It works when you pump it, sprays jet of oil in air C. The same principle being used to suck the sample gas from suction. Here on video you can see suction pump is removed from line, and line is made direct to analyzer to feed sample at the inlet, and while the outlet is generally kept as vent to atmosphere. Here we have to place a jet of compressed air line at 90 degrees on the vent line. Now when you open compressed air line valve gradually and air escapes from jet, this causes a negative pressure to develop on vent line of analyzer. As it is connected to directly analyzer system and inlet line in series. Resulting it will suck sample gas from process, and by adjusting compressed air valve gradually, you can set desired flow of sample gas as per standard flow to analyzer system. No moving part, no maintenance, only consumption of compressed, that too very less. By optimizing angle and jet of sample line, you can efficiently create good sample gas flow with less compressed air. Hope you liked this idea. Try this one and give us feedback how it works.